Big news from Wolverine Worldwide tonight. The shoe company is going to double the number of whole house filters it'll pay for.
Originally, Wolverine said it would pay for the filters to provide safe drinking water at 330 homes in the area, shaded in green on this map. This is near the House Street dump, where Wolverine dumped a likely carcinogen, PFAS, decades ago. Now Wolverine will pay for filters in the area shaded in blue. That's another 300 homes and will cost around $1.5 million. If you live in that area, we have the numbers that you can contact to get your filter. The information's at woodtv.com.
And all new at 6, we're talking with the woman who will lead the new state task force looking into the PFAS problems across Michigan.
Political reporter Rick Albin has the interview you'll only see on 8, Rick.
It's pretty amazing because she was retired, came out of retirement to do this. In fact, Carol Isaacs was happily retired from being Michigan's chief deputy attorney general, but says when the governor asked her to lead this Michigan PFAS action response team, she said yes to taking on the contamination near Belmont and other areas in the country and state. The director of the newly formed IMPART says it would take something pretty important to bring her out of retirement. The former critical health care nurse says her background in medicine and law combined with a high-level team approach made this assignment just such an opportunity.
This is an emerging contaminant problem.
The ongoing problem in Kent County is thought to be largely from dumping of residue from manufacturing used by Wolverine Worldwide, but that is far from the end of the problem.
We've had these chemicals around since the 1950s, and we've all been exposed at some point.
The length of exposure, amount of time, type of exposure will, of course, vary, and the exact impact of the exposure isn't totally clear. But Isaacs says even while scientists study the issue, she wants to act.
This effort is to get this established even before research is definitive. Research could go on for years. So this effort is now to be as proactive and protective of the health of Michigan even before the research is completed.
That research at the federal level has PFAS on something called the Contaminant Candidate List, the CCL. In layman's terms, that seems to mean the stuff is bad. They just haven't decided how bad yet. The first task force meeting with departments responsible for public health, environment, agriculture, even military affairs is this week. But for the leader of the group, the most important meetings will be with those impacted by the contamination.
I really do have a heartfelt affinity for how people feel about their health and when it's threatened. So the communication piece is really essential for us at the local level with individuals.
Michigan has multiple sites around the state that the task force will look at, in addition to the one here in Kent County. But Task Force Leader Isaac says there are 33 states currently dealing with PFAS contamination, and the problem stretches around the globe and will likely be a years-long environmental battle. Susan?
Thank you. We also learned today that elementary schools in the Rockford area have been cleared of any public health risk related to PFAS contaminating water in that area. Samples taken at Canonsburg, Crestwood, and Lakes Elementary schools were found with levels well below what is considered dangerous.